how will you refer a file within a file, or how will you send a, suppose you have got the eoffice file now. So eoffice file is in your inbox. Now you want to send it to another person with another file of eoffice that you had already created, maybe eoffice infrastructure, another file is there. You want to send him that along with that file. That is one option. Another thing is that you want to refer to some contents of that another file, like eoffice infra file, the second file that you have, you want to refer some contents of that eoffice infra file. So first option that I said, attach that file and send it, that is here, attachment of a file. When you click on that, all the files that are there, I think there are no files here. Let me see. There is actually one more file. I'll create one. eoffice infra. I'm creating a new file. eoffice infra file. Okay, this file I opened. I want to link our eoffice file there, or I want to attach that file. First is attaching that file. It's still not, yeah. I think it's not appearing in the, yeah, it's coming now. So I'm putting that eoffice file here. I'm attaching that file. So I'm putting a remark. This file is to be referred. So it is attached. So what is attachment? Attachment is that this file will move along with the file, the current file. So whoever was working on this file will not be able to work on it now because it is attached with another file. So that file will continue. It is like binding two files together and sending it. That is attachment of a file. And what is linking? You take a photocopy of the file and attach it with it. That means the original file. So I'll show you linking also. So I'll write here maybe background file linked. If I click on link, internal files, I click on attach, I'll see the file. I'm putting one file, I'm attaching it here. So any files that are attached, so the other person to whom you sent, when he opens that file, he will be able to see, when he clicks on this link and internal files, he will be able to see the file that is attached. Okay. Now, linking, what is the difference between linking and attachment? Attachment is that that entire file moves along with this file and nobody will be able to work on that file. But linking means you are attaching just a copy of the file. So somebody who was working on this file, admin 7 2020 GST, they'll still be able to work on the file. That is the difference. Okay, let me send it back. Please see the file attached. So I'm sending it back to the person to whom I have got it. I'm going to his inbox. The person will see it like this. Infrastructure with an attachment here. So here what is attachment? Internal file. So here that file is attached. Now you can see this file. You'll open it here as a preview. So that entire file will be preview. Okay. So this is a difference between linking a file and